Hey beauties, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Styles. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I managed to braid these tiny beautiful cornrows on my fussy natural hair. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I'm starting with raw hair. It is not blow dried at all. Yes, I'm not going to be blow drying it because I am on a no heat journey. So at the back I'm going to be braiding just one row of braids, and now I am applying vertical cream because I need my hair well moisturized and well detangled for the cornrows. So after the braids, I am just moisturizing the rest of my hair. And yes, I'm going to be doing very tiny cornrows. I have detailed tutorials on how to cornrow your own hair. Please check them out. Yes. So when it comes to cornrowing, one thing I have learned is to make tight grips. The more tight your grips are, the neater your cornrows are gonna look. But don't make them too tight. Yes, don't make your cornrows too tight because they will give you a headache and it will also cause a hair breakage. Yes, so make it tight, but a reasonable amount of tight. I hope that makes sense. Yes, I'm going to be doing this to the rest of my hair. Please enjoy the video and do not forget to hit that subscription button.